Hi guys, Linda here. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video today we're going to be talking about the highest heat that you can use on your human hair wigs and also for your synthetic or fiber hair extensions. If you want to know the recommended heat level to use for these two hair types, then please keep on watching this video. And if you're not subscribed to our channel, kindly click on the subscribe button right below and also turn on the post notification bell right beside the subscribe button so you don't miss future uploads from our channel. When it comes to your human hair extensions, you can use hair tools in the highest heat possible because you're working with human hair. And for the highest heat that is possible for your heat styling tools, you would notice that most times it's usually around 220 degrees Celsius, and for the ones that are very hot, it starts to tend towards being like a 230 degrees Celsius to a 250 degrees Celsius, which is more like the highest heat you would find commonly is like the 500 degrees Fahrenheit for your styling tools. And I would only recommend using the highest heat for your human hair extensions. If your hair is not 100% human hair, I would advise that you use less heat on your hair, on the wig or your hair extension. So let's say your hair is probably like 70% human hair and 30% synthetic hair or fiber, then I would recommend that you use heat from, let's say, 180 degrees Celsius, which is going to be somewhere around 400 Fahrenheit thereabouts. So depending on how your hair is, if you know that the hair is not 100% human hair, let's say the price range of your hair is somewhere around $50, $60, $70, then you should automatically know that that hair is not pure human hair. There would most definitely be some fiber in the hair, and when you're working with hair like that, you want to ensure that you don't put the hair in the highest heat possible, because you could just go straight in there and burn most of the strands in that wig. So you work with lower heat. You can start with, let me bring your styling tool and show you. So let's say I'm trying to straighten my hair, and the hair that I'm trying to straighten is synthetic hair. The heat that I'm going to put my hair straightener at is going to be, I'm going to start it at 155 Celsius, which is like the lowest level on this Cloud9 hair straightener. Right in here, it's written 155 degrees Celsius. So I'm going to put it at the lowest heat and then start using the tool to straighten my hair. If I feel like the hair is not being straightened, then I can now move it forward to the next heat level of, let's say, 165 degrees Celsius to 170 Celsius, and keep on working the hair. If I see that it's also not straightened, then I'll just take it to 180 degrees Celsius, and hopefully if it's fiber hair, at least 180 degrees Celsius should be able to straighten fiber hair. But if it's human hair you're working with, you might notice that 180 degrees Celsius might not give you that very bone straight look that you might want. So you then can take the heat to around 220 degrees Celsius or 200 degrees Celsius. So what I'll just recommend is, if you're not sure of the hair type that you're working with, start with the lowest heat. Then if you keep on working the straightening tool on the hair on the lowest heat, you will then see how the hair responds to the temperature on this hairstyling tool. If the hair is responding well, like it's straightening the hair and no part of the hair is becoming bones or roughening, then you can continue using that level of heat. But if it seems like the hair is not straightening and nothing is going on in it, then it most definitely would need more heat. Then you can increase the heat on your styling tool. For human hair extension, for 100% human hair extension, you can use the highest heat, or you could just use like 220 degrees Celsius too if you want to be moderate. But when it comes to synthetic fiber hair that is like a human hair and blend of fibers, you want to use lower heat, because the synthetic fibers is such that if you expose synthetic fiber to so much heat, it starts to shrink. It no longer looks as straight as it should look. It now starts to have some roughness to it. It becomes sort of bumpy. So when you reduce the heat a bit and try to straighten synthetic fiber, you notice that it gets straighter with less heat. Unlike when you put so much heat on it, it starts to look a bit rough. So that's basically how you would be able to manage maintaining your wigs. If it's either like if it's either like 100% human hair, or a blend of human hair and synthetic fiber, or let's say it's 100% synthetic fiber, always ensure that you use very minimal heat for 100% synthetic fiber, because synthetic fibers do not like excessive heat. So start the level of the heat here on your styling tool on the lowest level and walk through it. And if it seems like the hair is not responding, you can increase it just a little bit. Don't just start from the lowest part and take it all the way to the upper part. No, start gradually and watch and see how the hair responds to the heat. Yes, I hope this video was helpful and it was able to answer your question, because I actually got a question on YouTube asking about the highest heat that can be used for human hair extensions or for wigs and the rest of that. So I hope this answered your question. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to check out my books, hair extensions and how to test its quality, and how to start your hair business ebook. The paperback copy of my books is on Amazon. That's the how to start your hair business book is on Amazon. You can check the links in the description box of this video, so you could access those links to purchase these books on my website or on Amazon. So thank you so much for watching. Remember, be bold, have courage, live a positive life, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, love.